And this is what's known as the Magic Hill. As you can see here, there definitely that is uphill. And Dolores is here with the handbrake on. She's going to let the handbrake off, turn the car off, Dolores, and put it in neutral. And let's see what happens. It just automatically starts to run, and it's definitely running uphill, which is interesting to say the least. Let's see how far it'll go up this hill. Yes, running and running up that hill. It's going up the hill, and it's stopped. So, and there you go. It's sitting at and not rolling down, which is very, very, very interesting. You see it? I don't know whether you can gauge there. You can see the brow of the hill there. Dolores is starting the car, and she's going to drive definitely down the hill. Obviously it goes up there again. And Dolores, hold on, there's a car coming. So she's putting on the indicator. You can definitely see a and also we have a man trying to do the same thing there. He's doing it. There we go. Oh yeah. It's not just us, there's another car doing it.